How do you fix Windrose crashing on Steam? First, you will need to right click on the game and open up the properties window. Now in the general tab, you want to add -dx11 to the launch options and then go to installed files and make sure to verify the integrity of game files. And once this is done, you can close Steam and then you will need to open up a new browser tab and search for Redist, short for redistributables. And from the first link, you will need to download and install the redistributables from here, the 86 and the 64, both of them. And once you finish the installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. And then you will need to make sure that you have the latest driver updates for your GPU, whether you have NVIDIA or AMD, can use their software to update it. And then all you need to do is run Steam as admin, right click on Steam, run as admin, and then open up the game from your library. This should fix the crash problem. And if you still have crashes at the startup, you can try to disable any overlays. For example, Steam by going to settings, in-game, and then turn off the in-game overlay. You should do the same for NVIDIA by going to the settings and make sure to disable NVIDIA overlay here. You should also do the same for Discord if you have Discord overlay enabled by going to settings and then game overlay, and make sure to disable it from here. And once you've disabled all the potential overlays that you might have, you will need to try to start the game again by launching it from your Steam library. And this should fix the crash problem at the startup. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.